Hello, if you are wondering if Motorola Edge 50 Pro has two SIM card slots, then the answer is no. There is only one slot for the SIM card, and I can actually show you this. I'm gonna open the slot for the SIM cards, and there we go. And now if I take it out, over here you will see that I have one SIM card, and on the other side apparently there was supposed to be, I guess, the slot for the memory card, but it is actually not possible to use the memory card, and there is only one slot for the SIM card. The other one is too small, I suppose, so we can use only one SIM card. However, we can also use eSIM cards instead, or eSIMs. But if you have a SIM card, like a physical SIM card, then it is not possible to use it as a second one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.